Remember me?
Wait.
I could sleep.
Why?
Are you doing it to Michelle?
No, she's not in it.
ASMR. Look at my best friend. That's my best friend right there.
So basically, I don't have the motivation to fold my laundry. Like, look how much space. All of my clothes are dirty. Also, do you like my lights? Just another section of my vlog where I'm trying to be productive. Did you hear that? That's all my boogers and my mucus. I've been sick for like the past week almost now. Anyways, back to the regular scheduled programming. But I have to take time. Ooh. I'm at work and I got this poke bowl because I was way too early for work, and it's the most delicious thing I've ever had in my entire freaking life. I love this. I'm now addicted and I will be having this for the rest of my life. I wish I had a Korean mommy. Back at it again with the poke bowl. This time I got the pork one. But yeah, I'm on my way to work.
Or did they name it a stand?
I don't need too much, just somebody to love. I need puppy. Yeah, look at this, and you show them. And you say, today I'm using this foundation, and then you put it on your face.
Today I'm using this foundation. I put it on my face. Dinosaur!
What? This is my second experience having a slushie ever in my 19 years of living.
Slushy.
Is that a root beer brand of cream soda? It's totally real alcohol. Yeah. Totally real. Not. It's 100% real.
100% zero real.
Just wait.
Being in the DAR? No, Yale. Why did you drop out of Yale?
Well, I come to you in my bathroom because I've just had an epiphany. So I basically just watched someone film literally clips of nothing throughout their week, and basically all he did was change his angles when he was talking to the camera. He would just be like, oh, well, today I woke up at this time, and then I went to the gym, and then I had food with so-and-so, and then I streamed for 9 hours, and now I'm here. But he somehow managed to turn that into a video that left me pretty interested. Magic was put in this video, I kid you not. It made me feel a lot better about all the crappy footage that I've been getting. It's completely unorganized throughout a very long period of time. Don't I look so cute in my overalls? There's literally... That's it. That's all I really had to say. If I say any more, then this clip's gonna be too long.
Wow, so somebody's dying or their toaster caught on fire.
Yo, bro, I'm out here chilling, just doing whatever, and the sunset's been like... This is my brother's first iced caramel latte. It might be a little bit too caramelly for those who are like, that's too much caramel, but whatever. Add the milk in there. You can't drink just the milk. No, you have to milk this down. Stop that. You're horrible. I'm balding. Overnight hair curl with my tiny hairs. Is that? I guess it was a success. People are gonna think we're in a sauna. Yeah. It's just maple syrup. My hair is getting ruined. Morning. Hello. Scones. Good morning. I spilt it everywhere. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Hi. Remember me? Ignore my cable management. That's not for your eyes. You guys are just meant to see this. You know, hi guys, welcome back to the emmersIS, www.twitch/emmersIS. I don't know if I want matcha. I kind of want matcha. Is it bad if I want matcha now? After. It will be a reward. You know those like relax, I'm just taking pictures, and the people have like the camera like on their forehead, and they're like just taking pictures. They have like the really big forehead. Oh no. There's nothing like a diner bathroom.
Base sauce for the bait, but I didn't get it. I'm like starving.
Do you want an iced coffee with lavender cold foam?
Do it.
How does that lavender go in coffee?
Yeah, you can do lavender and coffee.
You can do lavender.
Okay, sure, thank you.
Deco always neglects her pantry.
the take time. Ooh. You say good things take time, don't you, girl?